In this video, we're going to look at the spark plug. We're going to look at where the spark plug is used, in what type of engines. We're also going to look at the spark plug's main components. We're going to look at how it works, and then we're going to discuss some concepts such as hot and cold spark plugs and spark plug reach. Spark plugs are used in gasoline and petrol engines. We refer to the fuel as gasoline in the States and places like that, whereas in the UK we refer to it as petrol. The porcelain insulator is there to stop the voltage leaking out from the top, or leaking from the top, and trying to get to ground along this route here. This high voltage is going to be in the range of between 20,000 to 40,000 volts. You may hear people talk about spark plug reach. The spark plug reach is actually the distance from the lowest part of the thread on the spark plug up to roughly where the washer is as indicated now. The reason we have such a high voltage is because we want that high voltage to ionize the air in this area. If you want to learn more about this, it's actually called dielectric breakdown strength or dielectric strength. But what it essentially means is the high voltage is going to try to jump the gap here by ionizing all of the gas in this space. If it can ionize all of the gas in this space, then that gas is going to be able to carry electrical current. Now the resistor is there to reduce the amount of electrical interference or noise that is created when we get our spark created by the spark plug. People refer to this as electromagnetic interference or radio frequency interference. And as the piston approaches top dead center, there is a spark from the spark plug, and this spark ignites the fuel, and then we get our power stroke.